नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर ये है कि you are educating AIOps very strongly, right? Why it is on the top of the qualification, and what is his future and current position in job market? What do we learn from it? What we become after it? And what is the potential of earning of AIOps?
The
And it
reason,
feels that you are strongly recommended all the time.
yes, the reason I am pushing for AIOps, the reason, ठीक है ना, मैं इसलिए बोल रहा होता हूँ, it contains cybersecurity, it contains GRC, ठीक है ना, it contains cloud security, it contains DevOps, SysOps, and it is encapsulated with AI. This makes it AIOps, right? Wherever you go, in whatever industry you are, like if you are engineer, medical field, biomedical field, chemical engineer, civil engineer, wherever you go, you will find these core requirements, right? Every industry has a cybersecurity requirement to secure its data. Every industry is working on the cloud because they have cloud systems. Every industry, if they're working on the cloud, they need a DevOps team. They have a DevOps team. Every industry, wherever there is data, you will find AI there because AI is analyzing and creating reports on that data so that you can make intelligent decisions. So the point is, AI ops is part of your life now. You can't take it out. AI is such a powerful tool that no matter what you do, wherever you are, there is no other technology. There was a steam revolution. Prior to that, there was different revolution. Then industrial revolution came in, right? Then there was a revolution when the motor car engine was created, right? Now the revolution for the next 20, 30 years is none other than artificial intelligence, right? Because AI is the one which is now gathering around its arms around the world. It's trying to wrap itself around the world to understand and figure out what makes everything tick and talk. How do these different things really work? And to gather all this information, it requires trove and trove of data, like in billions and billion, in I would say in trillions, right? Whatever the case is. Right now, the latest AI system has around 70 billion plus, consumption of the tokens. Token means like characters or information that it is consuming. So as we are proceeding, these large learning models, LLMs, are getting much more sophisticated in terms of consuming information. So wherever you go, in whatever information you are, whatever industry you are in, if you want to secure yourself for the next 20 years, this is the AI revolution. Everyone was saying IoT. IoT didn't pick up because there was a simple component which was missing, was AI, right? Everyone was saying data science. Data science was not there. People have masters in data science, they can't find jobs. That's another story, right? They're running different channels. But on YouTube, this is the easiest way to make money. Just open a YouTube channel, and if you're a non-Muslim, you can just earn whatever you like. For Muslims, it's not allowed because the kind of advertisement that is being shown is something which negates our principles of Islam. But anyway, regardless of that, that's a different discussion. What I'm trying to say is, like, you need to understand all the key aspects. The key aspects are that you have to understand and comprehend is AI is part of your life. There is no way you can take out AI because it is getting embedded and ingrained in whatever you do. So if you basically adopt itself, the AI, and if you embrace it, then inshallah you will be able to proceed in your life. But if you don't, then you will be left behind. Even if you want to go in SysOps or DevOps or whatever industries you are in, you need the AI. There's a very important document that I'm creating right now, and I'm going to show it to you. There are different fields of AI in the world, and I'm going to share my screen just quickly. Okay, so there are natural, altogether, if I count, there are around 104 disciplines in the world: natural sciences, biology, chemistry, physics, earth sciences, environmental sciences, astronomy. Wherever you go, these are different disciplines: medical and health sciences, medicine, nursing, pharmacy. These are the different verticals of the world. Physiotherapy, veterinary science, public health, biomedical science, arts and humanity. All of these things, there is not a single discipline that doesn't have AI. Every single thing has AI. Every single thing. So you can imagine AI is now part of your life. Wherever you go, you will see AI. Just like in the next few years, it will become so prevalent in the society that people will be asking questions from AI all the time. But obviously, they are monetizing it right now, right? So you have Chat GPT. There, you can just ask question, it will give you the information. There is a Sora. This is the new engine from Chat GPT. You can give it create a video for me, it will create a video for you, right? So the movie making, the business, all of these things, they are being done through AI. So whatever you speak is being shown to you right now. That's the prompt. It's like a genie. You say this is what I need, and it will say, there you go, you have it, right? So AI is the fundamental technology that is changing everything that you do, whether you work, whether you study, wherever you are, whatever you are doing. It is not going to replace you completely right now. In the next 30, 40 years, yes, it will. But for now, people are looking to harness the power of AI so they can use it, because it requires a long time before AI can take over everything. Because for that, it needs to be sentient, it needs to understand and comprehend everything. And that is not an easy task. The amount of information it needs, the amount of data it needs, the amount of processing power it needs, it's unlimited. So it's not something that it can have right now on the earth, which has limited resources, right? So keeping that, all of these things in mind, yeah, and I'm giving you a realistic picture. For the next 30, 40 years, you can safeguard yourself by learning these things. With AIOps, you can infuse offensive security. With AIOps, you can infuse blockchain technology. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. But AIOps is the part of your life, and there is no way you can run away from it, because one way or the other, you have to embrace it, you have to adopt it, otherwise you'll be left behind.